Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best spinning reels that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. PENN Pursuit IV 8000. Meet the PENN Pursuit IV 8000 spinning reel, a powerful saltwater-ready reel built for smooth casting and heavy-duty fishing performance. Priced at $76.99, it delivers solid value for anglers who want a durable, large-size spinning reel without spending premium-level money. Size 8000 power, designed for big fish and long casts, especially in saltwater environments. Smooth 4.7 gear ratio, balanced retrieve speed with strong cranking power. Aluminum body plus stainless steel bearings, built for corrosion resistance and long-term durability. Ambidextrous handle, comfortable for both left and right-handed anglers. Strong drag system, helps control larger, hard-fighting fish. Spinning design, easy casting and beginner-friendly operation. Pros: excellent for saltwater fishing and big fish. Very affordable for its size class. Durable metal construction. Smooth and reliable performance. Cons: heavier than smaller reels, around 1 kilogram. Not ideal for ultralight or finesse fishing. Basic finish compared to higher-end PENN models. Number 4. KastKing Centron Size 500 is a compact. Meet the KastKing Centron Spinning Reel, Size 500, an ultralight, compact reel designed for smooth performance and precision fishing, especially great for ice fishing. At just $21.57, it's a budget-friendly reel that delivers surprising smoothness and solid features for beginner and casual anglers. Size 500 ultralight design, perfect for ice fishing and small fish setups. 5.2:1 gear ratio, balanced speed and control for steady retrieves. Up to 17.5 pounds max drag, strong enough for light to medium fishing situations. 9+1 stainless steel bearings, smooth and stable reel performance. CNC aluminum spool, improves casting distance and durability. Anti-reverse system, better hook setting and control. Lightweight build, 9.87 ounces, reduces fatigue during long use. Pros: extremely affordable price. Very smooth for its budget range. Lightweight and easy to handle. Good feature set for beginners. Cons: not built for heavy saltwater or large fish. Durability is average compared to premium reels. Small size limits versatility. Number 3. KastKing Sharky III Spinning Reel. Meet the KastKing Sharky Spinning Reel, a powerful saltwater and freshwater reel built for strength, smoothness, and serious fishing performance. At $49.29, it sits in the mid-range category, offering near-premium features like high drag power and strong build quality at an affordable price. 5.2:1 and 6.2:1 gear ratios, flexible speed options for different fishing styles. Carbon fiber drag system, 33 to 39.5 pounds, very strong stopping power for big fish. 10+1 stainless steel bearings, ultra-smooth and stable retrieval. Lightweight Nylotech body, strong but reduced weight for easier handling. Oversized main shaft, extra durability and better power transfer. Anti-reverse system, improved hook setting and control. Saltwater and freshwater ready, versatile for multiple environments. 15-ounce weight, balanced feel for long fishing sessions. Pros: very strong drag system for big fish. Smooth and reliable performance. Lightweight but durable construction. Great value for saltwater anglers. Cons: slightly heavier than ultra-budget reels. Not as refined as high-end premium reels. Drag system may feel stiff at first use. Number 2. KastKing Megatron 6000. Meet the KastKing Megatron Spinning Reel, a heavy-duty freshwater and saltwater reel built for raw power, durability, and big fish performance. At $65.99, it offers strong mid-range value, packing premium-style features like a rigid frame and high drag power without the premium price tag. Size 6000 heavy-duty design, built for large fish and tough conditions. Rigid aluminum frame, extra strength and long-lasting durability. Over 30 pounds carbon fiber drag, strong stopping power for hard fighters. 7+1 double shielded stainless steel bearings, smooth and corrosion-resistant performance. CNC aluminum spool and handle, precision machining for better casting and control. Anti-reverse system, solid hook setting and instant response. Saltwater and freshwater ready, versatile all-around fishing reel. 0.52 kilograms weight, balanced power without feeling overly bulky. Pros: extremely strong drag system for big fish. Very durable aluminum construction. Smooth retrieval with quality bearings. Great for both saltwater and freshwater use. Cons: heavier than smaller finesse reels. Not ideal for ultralight fishing setups. Slightly stiff feel when new. Number 1. KastKing Spartacus II Size 1000. Meet the KastKing Spartacus II spinning reel, a compact, powerful reel designed for ice fishing, saltwater, and freshwater performance in one lightweight package. At just $33.58, it delivers excellent value with sealed drag performance and smooth bearings at a budget-friendly price point. Size 1000 compact design, perfect for ice fishing and light tackle setups. Sealed carbon fiber drag, 22 pounds max, strong, smooth, and protected from water and dust. 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, balanced speed and control for steady retrieves. 7+1 stainless steel bearings, smooth and corrosion-resistant operation. Graphite body construction, lightweight yet durable for long use. Saltwater and freshwater ready, versatile for multiple fishing environments. Ambidextrous handle, comfortable for both left and right-handed anglers. Pros: very affordable price for sealed drag system. Smooth and reliable performance. Lightweight and easy to carry. Great for beginners and ice fishing setups. Cons: not built for very large or heavy fish. Graphite body is less rigid than aluminum reels. Limited power compared to higher-end models. If you want a smooth, budget-friendly reel for ice fishing or light saltwater use, this is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Like the video and subscribe for more fishing gear reviews.